This is why the Hyperx Alloy Origin Core keyboard is one of the best TKL keyboards you could buy for $80. First off, it features a all aluminum construction all the way around, weighing almost 2 pounds. You can kill a man with this keyboard. A second pointer would be the feet. These feet are strong and springy and have rubber feet on them. They're large too. Last reason is it has a detachable USB cable. Always very nice. And it's very bright. So look how bright that is. Also, 3 onboard profiles. My favorite one right there. And you can easily save them with the Hyperx software via Windows Store. Thanks for watching.